Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and this is not Project C1 for a change. Something a little bit different today actually. I've been to IKEA. Now those of you that know IKEA, it's a shop full of stuff that comes in very useful. Just don't go on a weekend. I love my Volvo, but not everything good comes out of Sweden. Anyway, bought myself a little an iron hanger sort of type thing. So let's put that up in my utility room, because at the moment my iron is currently sat on my desk and I'm sick of that. So let's get this thing up and yeah, let's throw the iron on the wall instead. Right, so in order to achieve this then, what we're going to need is the actual unit itself, which I'll open up in a second. We will need a drill. So I've got my Ryobi drill there. I'm going to need a pen. Going to need, although you don't actually need this, you can use a screwdriver. I'm going to use my impact driver. And we're also going to need some screws and some wall plugs. Oh, and some impact bits for the impact driver. So let's get into the room. It is pretty dark in there, so bear with me on that one. Let's get into the room, let's throw it up against the wall and mark it up and we can drill the holes. Okay, so we've got this item, it's all put together. We've got the iron holder, the cable run, that sort of thing. Basically what we're going to do now is put this on the wall, use a pen and just draw through those until we get some marks on the wall that we can drill. So, under normal circumstances you would use a spirit level. I haven't got one, so I'm just going to eyeball it to utility room anyway, no one cares. So, here goes. So we've got all the marks on the wall. So let's drill them, stick a wall plug in it, and we'll screw it in. That's annoying. You know what? It's just an iron holder. 3 will do. Well, it's up. It's working. Job's a good one. So, little problem with that one is bottom corner here. I seem to have hit a hard spot in the wall, but like I said, it's only an iron. It's not exactly the heaviest thing in the world. I mean, you know, that's pretty good. I'll take that. Yeah, just basic hand tools. You could have used a screwdriver with that. You didn't have to use an impact driver. I just got it for Christmas and wanted to use my new toy, you know, as you do. But you know what to do. If you did like that, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. If you did like it, particularly, you can subscribe. That would be brilliant. Buy me a coffee would be better. Links down in the description. Just down here, you can follow me on Instagram, just to see what I'm up to between videos. And then, if you did like it, make sure you ring that bell, get notified when you see the next video, and I'll see you in that next video.